got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend too bad, mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for tuning into this video. So I'm so excited because I wanted to share with you guys this installation process, and I'm going to be doing it from start to finish. So I really do hope you guys enjoy. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you click the subscribe button before you leave this video, and please give this video a thumbs up as well.
Bad when you both combine.
So here we're just getting started, and V has made this wig for me. She customized it and made it to fit me perfectly. The hair is of course from Lemoda hair, and I'm wearing 3 bundles of Malaysian water wave as well as a lace frontal, which is, I think it was about 18-inch. She's doing any extra tweezing to it, to the hairline, make sure it looks as natural as possible. Then V's gonna go ahead and trim off any excess lace around my ears and around the hairline. V is using Got To Be Ultra Glued and the Got To Be Free Spray as well. Now to style the hair, we only literally just put some water in it just to activate the curls, and she's gone ahead and put it up in a half up, half down type of style, and we did this just to see what it looks like. And I was feeling myself, totally feeling this hair, feeling myself. And we were so happy when we were done with it because we just thought it looked so incredible. I'm absolutely in love with this hair. I haven't stopped wearing it since we've installed it. And that was definitely a few weeks ago. So I wanted to share this with you guys because I was just so excited as to how much I really liked it. The hair is so soft. It's maintained the curls. And because it's water wave, it's perfect for things like vacations. And you don't have to do too much to it to style it in terms of like products and heat or anything. You only really need like water and a little bit of serum to activate the curls, and you're so good to go. Perfect for the seasons ahead and perfect for vacations. If you guys are after any hair like this or you want to know more, please check the description box. All the details will be there for you, and the links to the Lemoda site where you can also purchase these bundles or the frontal or the entire thing, honey. And if you're after a hairstylist in the London area, please make sure you check out V's Real Hair. I'm going to put her details in the description box along with her Instagram and where you can find her. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye.